三文鱼大家拢爱食，即马大多数拢是人工饲的。不过目前全部拢饲伫工业区的方式，可能较高会互三文鱼胃病，嘛有可能会破坏生态。伫咧美国，就有业者模拟河川甲海洋来饲三文鱼，希望会当培育出亲像伫咧自然环境当中健康成长的三文鱼。
大家爱食三文鱼，大部分亲像安尼起伫挪威沿海海峡人工养殖场来的。不过美国时代杂志2022年调查报道，设定沿海海峡开放型养殖场有未少健康甲环境危机，所以这间设伫美国佛罗里达州的养殖场，为捕鱼卵到三文鱼的规个生命周期，全部伫咧陆地用无共款制作来完成。比如亲像这个图案摊，就是为鱼卵捕出来到鱼仔的所在，鱼仔佫较大一寡，正做鲫鱼就会刷去别个水槽。
As you can see on the transfer process, we do not handle the fish anymore through the life cycle. The fish is pumped through a slow current through pipes underground, go to the grader, and then are dropped directly into the next tanks where they'll spend the next 7 weeks. This process of moving the fish happens 7 times in the freshwater stage, and then another 2 or 3 times in the saltwater stage.
野生三文鱼的生命周期，捕了后的2-3年内生活伫河，了后各为水尾，再后进入海洋。伫准备进入海洋环境进前，体内甲外表拢有变化，来适应全新的环境。这间养殖场设计养殖的方式，就是尽量伫人工水槽保持河甲海洋的环境。
The fish is going to go through internal changes. It's going to prepare its organ to breathe in salt water. And it's also going to go from brownish green to silver. Once the fish is ready, we give them the first winter, we drop the temperature and the light. Once they're done with smoltification, they will actually go from swimming against the current and they will turn around in the tank to swim with the current. By doing so, they tell us we're ready to leave the river, swim downstream all the way to the ocean.
国内有海洋大学研究生态饲三文鱼的技术，不过要达到商业化养殖规模，要等到桃园观音第3天然气接收站完工启用，配合附近的大潭火力发电厂，同时提供大量冷白水甲温白水，才发到企业者投资生产。公司新闻期间人朋友。